No, that's so bad. That's the worst drink I've ever had. I'm a little congested and I'm here today at Kava Luv Social Lounge. And I'll be making drinks, I'll be brewing stuff, I'll be serving stuff, 6, 7, all the things. I do it all. I'm a multifaceted woman. And I will also be making drinks to show you what kind of drinks you can be drinking instead of alcohol this Thanksgiving. But yeah, Kratom is a great alternative for alcohol, especially on holidays. If you don't really want to do that this year, then I'm about to show you what the fuck's going on. Let's go inside. I have so much shit to put away, so probably gonna put away those buckets in a minute. And then I'm gonna start like cleaning stuff so I can start brewing more. It's kind of just like this like never-ending cycle of like brew, use it, brew it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh wait, I forgot to write something down. This is my BOGO list. And BOGO list is for everyone that buys a BOGO. So that way I don't forget, because I'm really forgetful. Need this guy. I have such a bad nicotine addiction. I really need to stop vaping. Actually, are you guys laughing at me?
Bro, perfect.
What? I do need this guy. Oh my god, I almost spilled my hot chocolate everywhere. It's not your cup, TJ. I found it at store 2. It's been there for weeks. So TJ thinks he left his cup at store 2 and he thinks that I stole it, which is not true. Because, hey, the cup's been there for a while now. Like, I saw an opportunity and I took it. I'm an opportunist. What can I say? TJ, you probably wouldn't have found that cup for like 2 or 3 more weeks. Cleaning. Yeah, cleaning now. Yeah, I honestly, I love cleaning. This might set women back a couple years, but I do love doing dishes sometimes. It's just like therapeutic, low-key. And you know, dishes is one of the things that I enjoy cleaning. I've been going on a tangent about cleaning. I'm gonna let this bucket soak for a little bit and I'm gonna go put those buckets in the fridge in the back. Then I think I'm gonna make myself a drink. I'm gonna be making a Thanksgiving themed drink, hopefully. Hopefully I can execute it right. I think I can, but I don't know. Yeah, I wanna have faith in myself, so. Oh my lord. Okay, so much shit in here. Oh, Jesus. So I stack them all on the counter. It's easier to bring them to the back. You know, I can hold 2 of these, but not 3. 3 would fucking like, I think there would just be like, that's imminent disaster. Ugh. And now we take them all into the bag. But I need to stretch. Okay, let's go. Do I look skinny? I need to stop vaping, I'm raw. No fucking way, I'm out of breath. I usually try to take like multiple buckets back here at a time so I can kind of just be back here and like organize them for a minute. Hi, Kevin. To make 2 dragon juices with crushed red. This is one of our most popular menu drinks, and I'm about to make it. Dragon fruit, hibiscus, syrup, lemonade, and then you put ice in it, and then you put the tea in it, and then you mix it, then the drink's done. Crushed red botanical tea. So red is good for pain relief, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's also anti-anxiety. Red is my personal favorite strain. Yellow is also good. Yellow is good for like mental clarity or focus. God knows I need that. Step 2 and 3. 1, 2, and 3, I think. I don't know. I'm not counting. I'm just, oh, he wanted no ice. I caught myself there. It was bad. Big ass tea bag. Spilled that one a little bit. A little overflow never hurt nobody. Oh my god, that fucking video where Jessica took the shot and you were like 5 seconds ago. It was so funny. Yeah. Our camera woman is the best camera woman ever. She's funny as fuck. I love her. She gives me great advice. She'd be telling me to lock in and shit, which I do need to do. Then the drinks are done, but you can't just put the lid on like that, you know? Oh my god, I love this song. My thoughts on the dragon juice. I used to order it a lot when I was a regular. I don't drink it anymore because like I work here, so there's like a million different drink options for me, but it's really good. It's like, it's just like it's like a good ass drink. Ugh. I'm gonna try to make myself a drink, a Thanksgiving themed drink, which I'm a little scared about because I'm like intimidated by this already. We don't have any apple syrup. Ugh, okay. Let me brainstorm. Thanksgiving themed drink. What the fuck am I gonna do? What is this? What is good? What is even good? I'm looking at Brett's syrups right now. Hopefully it's fine. It'll be fine. I just haven't decided. You know what? I know what I want to make. I think. Let's put it in a fucking shaker. Okay, I'm thinking of like creamy, like sweet, but like savory, like pie kind of themed drink. Ooh, okay, I just had a great idea. What kind of, dude, I wish we had apple, like regular ass apple. I think I'll use green apple. Do you think that'll be good? I don't know either. Like I'm trying to, here, come with me. Come with me. We're in the Chamber of Secrets right now. So I got some, salted honey butter or toasted marshmallow? Toasted marshmallow is better. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Fuck. Why do I act like I'm retarded every day? Damn. All right. I just had a moment of realization that I know how to fucking do this. And I really want to use some hazelnut creamer in this. This is my creamer, but I'm gonna use it in the drink anyway. I really love this brand. It's Coffee Mate. Please sponsor us. I think that was enough. And then I'm also gonna make like a kava drink, so hopefully it'll be good. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put some cinnamon powder in it too. Okay, I hope to God this turns out well. So I'm like honestly a little scared. Gotta break up the ice. Cool. Ice. Got ice in the fucking drink. Now we get the kava for the drink. Gotta mix it a lot. I did some salted honey butter and pumpkin spice syrup, and then I did, salted honey butter, pumpkin spice, some hazelnut creamer, and then cinnamon powder for like the base. And then I did kava as the tea. And then let me put some cinnamon on it. Cool, that was enough cinnamon. I think it looks good, and now I'm gonna try it. I've never made this before. I'm a little intimidated. You know, since kava's in this drink, this would be great for someone who's looking for some relaxation, you know, just to like chill, socialize. It's great for pain relief. I drink kava for pain relief a lot, and it helps me talk to people because I have really bad anxiety, and it's really hard for me to do that. I had a sip of my drink, and it's pretty good, honestly. I'm honestly surprised with how it turned out, and I'm happy too. It reminds me of like, I don't know, it's like a spiced, like, I don't know, it's not like a pie, but it's like, it reminds me a lot of like a chai tea kind of with like the spice. It could be like comparable to like a pumpkin, like maybe a pumpkin pie, but it is really good. I actually am surprised. Not too much of a fan of creamy drinks just cause like my tummy, but I'm rocking with it today. Okay, TJ's gonna try it.
All right, what is this? Oh, that's really interesting. Like, honestly, I don't think I've ever tasted something like that before in this bar. It kind of gives off like a cinnamony like cereal. You know what I mean? I'm not sure how else to explain it, but it's good. I like it a lot. Is this kava? If I ever have a sweet tooth, I would give it a shot.
Now that I finished making a drink, I got some food. I really need to eat, so I'm gonna eat. Be back shortly.
All right, hi everybody. I am Maddie. I'm the executive assistant at Kava Luv, and we're gonna make some drinks. I don't really make drinks that often, so not a kava tender. We're gonna make something for Thanksgiving. Nice little fun experiment, and it's gonna be delicious.
That is the worst drink I've ever tried.
So I looked through our special cabinet in there, and there's some cool ones I haven't really seen before. Oh. I think I'm gonna mess around with these. We're gonna see what happens. Right, I'm looking at 3 here. I like that one. Salted honey butter, that sounds pretty epic. I like the toasted marshmallow as well. That looks pretty incredible. And then I'm also gonna mix that with some pumpkin spice for the Thanksgiving effect here. All right, we're gonna put some ice in this bad boy. It's gotta be cold. Drink's gotta be cold here. I still have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, I have a foundation here, and we just gotta build it up now. Build that shit up. Pineapple and pumpkin spice does not sound that nice. Yeah, we're gonna try that. We're gonna try that. All right. I like the ingredients here. There's a lot of them though, so I can't put too many. I have to really do this lightly, so I'm just trying to figure it out. But I think we're gonna go. I got pineapple juice here. Previously stated, pumpkin spice, salted honey butter, and toasted marshmallow. And it's an interesting combination, but like I said, I don't want to put too many into the drink. I don't want to make it like super overwhelmingly flavorful, but you know, we gotta have a little something in there. So we're gonna try roughly 2 ounces of pineapple juice, half an ounce of that, pumpkin spice. Let's do, smells interesting. Okay, let's try this here. So that was the salted honey butter. Oh, that one's nice and crusty. This is toasted marshmallow. It's a little crusty on the top. Putting a little more of that over all the other syrups because that one just sounds like it tastes the best. And now I'm gonna use powdered kratom because I think that would be the best way to do that. So we're gonna use powdered green here. It gives you like a euphoric feeling. Just gives you like a calm, mellow, chill effect. It's a plant from Southeast Asia. Honestly, I love green like during the daytime, but if I'm going like in the evening time or if I'm going to bed, I do like to use red. Red's pretty solid. Stuff will knock me out. Not in the bad way though, in the good way. One looks a little scary. All right, this is what our concoction looks like. Ooh, I'm actually super stoked to try this out. It's missing a lot of things. It's missing quite a bit.
No, that's so bad. That's the worst drink I've ever had. That is the worst drink I've ever tried.
Yes, I am the executive assistant at Kava Luv, and as you can see, I love making drinks here. I'm really good at it. Yeah, try my drink out, guys. It tastes amazing. So, like, honestly, all I can really taste is just, like, the straight kratom tea and a little hint of, like, pumpkin spice. And it doesn't really make a great combination. Thank you guys for joining me in this wonderful drink adventure. I'm now gonna leave the area I'm never in, so peace. That's all I got.
Hey guys. I wanted to talk to you guys about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. What a holiday. You know, I don't particularly like spending holidays with my family. We typically end up fighting, but that's why I come to Kava Luv on Thanksgiving, because we have a Thanksgiving potluck where people bring food. I'm actually making some peppermint meringues this Thursday for said potluck, which I will be spending Thanksgiving after I eat with my family for an hour, because that's all I can take. If you don't celebrate holidays with your family too, look for kava bars in your area, because they're almost always having events or having something going on. Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, shit, Valentine's Day, New Year's, all the above. You can find an event for, okay? So you just need to like get out there, go celebrate Thanksgiving with some strangers, because that's what I did 2 years ago, and honestly, one of the best Thanksgivings I've had in a while. I've met some of my favorite, most bestest friends here. I'm not gonna name drop anyone, but you know who you are if you're watching this video. Weed maxing. I've been coming here for almost 3 years, so yeah, it's freaking awesome. I love it here. I spend almost every day here. All my friends are here. My shift's been going pretty good so far. Had like a good flow this morning. A steady amount of like customers coming in, serving them in a good amount of time, so I'm able to like get my shit done. Stomach's been fucked up the last couple of days. You know, I've been bloated. I've just been eating nonstop. Like, I feel like shit. But no, I like actually feel really great because eating makes me feel amazing. I love eating. Probably can't tell, but I do love eating so much. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We upload every Monday and Thursday, and I hope this video of me making drinks and doing other shit, inspired you to make some kava and botanical tea drinks for your Thanksgiving. It's not as scary as everyone thinks it is. I don't know where this propaganda came from, but it's fucking propaganda, and don't believe it. Was that good? Was that enough? Yeah.
Drink my people's tea.
Oh yeah, if you're not in this area, check out your area to see if there are kava bars, because there's a lot in Florida, there's a lot around the country. We post every Monday and Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe below. Hit that like and subscribe button, okay? I'm Izzy. Bye. Bye.
They snuck that shit in.
Oh, yeah.